Stories Over Coffee presents A Rainy Afternoon in Saigon and the Girl Crying by a Sidewalk Cafe. Sometimes emotions just need to flow, and coffee is the quiet companion who listens. It was just another rainy afternoon in Saigon, the kind where the streets shine like silver mirrors and the city slows down. Not fully, but just enough to feel something. She sat quietly at a small cafe tucked between a bookstore and an old motorbike repair shop. Her hair was damp, her eyes red, and she held her coffee, not like a drink, but like a hand trying to hold on to warmth, trying not to fall apart. She was crying, not loudly, not dramatically, just letting it happen, letting it rain inside and out. In a city that rushes, where people learn to hide their sadness behind busy footsteps and phone screens, she did something rare. She let herself feel, and she let it show. Maybe it was heartbreak, maybe it was the weight of too many unspoken things, or maybe it was simply life overflowing. Whatever it was, she wasn't running from it. She was letting it pass through her, like the rain that washes the city clean. There's something about coffee in the rain. It doesn't interrupt. It doesn't ask questions. It just stays warm and listens. And sometimes that's all we really need. Not answers, not advice, just presence, a small cafe, a warm cup, and the sound of rain whispering, "It's okay, just be here." She didn't rush to leave. She waited until her heart caught up with her breath, until her tears made room for silence, until the rain became gentle again. Then, she stood up, put on her helmet, and rode away. No drama, no final scene, just a quiet resilience. The kind Saigon is full of, if you know where to look. Sometimes emotions just need space to breathe, to fall, to heal. And sometimes all it takes is a rainy afternoon, a sidewalk cafe, and a coffee cup that listens better than words ever could. Stories over coffee, true moments, quiet reflections, one sip at a time. Subscribe for more soulful stories from everyday life.